Here are the components for the remote starter up here. Now when I push the button, what happens, you'll see it will start and then it will stop and keep restarting itself. And it will keep doing this over and over again. And then the alarm will go off. And I don't know what the problem is. I don't know how to reset it or how to fix it. If there is a reset button somewhere, whoever installed it. So your help would be greatly appreciated if I could find out what the heck is going on with this remote starter. Thanks.